Hey beautiful people, it's me Dapindula, and today we will review about recently launched The Plan by Dan Hollings. If you want to make money trading crypto, The Plan is for you. Not only for people who understand the importance of investing early, The Plan will teach you how to make money work for you. It is perfect for moms with children, professionals, and people who have been trading crypto for a while. And the best part, it's available in 92 different countries. After spending millions of dollars in cryptocurrency, Dan Holdings turned to a low-risk method to profit from this market. He calls this strategy wiggle profits. This trading strategy exploits fluctuations in crypto markets to earn a significant return. However, this method doesn't work in all cases, as the prices of some cryptocurrencies can go down by as much as 30%. In order to maximize profits, you must invest in high-volume cryptos and buy low and sell high. The Wiggle Factor is a digital guide that Dan Hollings offers for free as a gift to people who register for his webinar. This guide explains how to use a specific type of automated software to create passive income within minutes. The Wiggle Factor will also teach you how to create passive income streams independent of market conditions. It's important to note that crypto trading is very risky and speculative, so it's important that you understand these risks and take the necessary precautions. In contrast, Hollings' crypto trading strategy will increase your profits by reducing the risk of losing money. His plan makes money even during periods of low volatility. By leveraging volatility, he turns it into an advantage, and you don't have to worry about losing money. This system is not the most popular choice for beginners, but it can generate significant profits. There's a good chance you'll be able to make millions with this plan if you apply the strategy. The plan is a revolutionary cryptocurrency learning course. The founder of the plan, Dan Hollings, has created it. It allows you to take control of your account and earn a large sum of money without the need for complicated trading skills. The plan is easy to use and requires very little knowledge of the cryptocurrency markets. You can even use this program to automate your trading account. This system is a cryptocurrency grid bot, which makes it extremely easy to trade in both up and down markets. The plan's automated bot trading system can be used to make daily revenue with minimal effort and maximum safety. The three-circle approach to risk management is a key feature of the plan, and Dan demonstrates this with live demo trading. The plan costs anywhere from $20 to $110 per month to use and is designed for people who do not have an extensive knowledge of cryptocurrencies. This program contains 6 modules with video demonstrations and extra resources to assist you. It also contains an extensive section of depositing fiat currency into cryptoland. It also includes resources for international students and transfers between different currencies. Regardless of your current experience, you'll find the plan to be an excellent guide to learning how to invest in crypto. You can begin trading on any cryptocurrency exchange, including the highly competitive Binance platform. The plan is made for newbies in crypto, and Dan Hollings' courses cover everything from understanding cryptos to using indicators and using the expert grid analysis method. Unlike other courses, this program is affordable and accessible to people of all backgrounds and experience levels. There's no need to have a high capital level or any prior knowledge of cryptocurrencies to take advantage of the automated trading system in the Plan Dan Hollings crypto trading. In addition to the automated bot trading system, Dan's crypto bot trading course contains the best-selling trading system on the market today. The Plan Dan Hollings crypto training also includes a tutorial on how to use the bot trading system to maximize your profit. The plan is an excellent guide to navigate the crypto market. With the help of a training bot, you can set the parameters that make the program unique. The Facebook community for members of the Plan Dan Hollings crypto training is a great place to learn the tricks of the trade and ask questions. Since Dan has been making more than $3 million in the last couple of years, it's no surprise that this crypto training has become very popular. Dan's crypto training is taught via a video course and live demonstration. Extra resources include extra training videos, crypto strategies, and a crypto bot. The plan's founding member, Marcus Lim, offers members a bonus for joining. Marcus Lim, a former member of the crypto industry, provides text and Skype support to all plan members. He's likely to have faced the same challenges as you all. However, despite his extensive experience, Marcus is more than happy to offer assistance. He's an early adopter of the plan, and this gives him a unique advantage to help you get started. The plan also leverages crypto bots to execute trades for users. These bots track and execute trades without requiring user input. This allows users to focus on other aspects of their lives, like recruitment. In addition, this program is incredibly low risk and allows for high trading volume. The plan's Facebook community for plan members is an invaluable resource for learning the crypto trading secrets. If you are serious about making money with cryptocurrency, consider joining the plan with Dan Hollings and joining the Facebook community today. The Plan Dan Hollings Crypto Training Facebook group is a great way to connect with other plan members and learn about the latest trend in crypto. As you build your confidence, you'll be able to make friends all over the world and boost your financial security. It's worth it. There's no doubt that Dan Hollings' plan is the best crypto training program out there. After the crypto revolution hit the world, the crypto wizard Dan Hollings decided to take his expertise and make it available to everyone. He's known for cracking the code of crypto and has released his hottest crypto training course. This course will allow you to take the advantage of his loophole and start earning money today. The plan has been downloaded over 92 countries and sold 300 million copies in the first year alone. The plan was initially a private business plan and has since been used in 92 countries. It requires no special skills and requires very little capital. However, you do need to be ready to dedicate a substantial amount of time to learn about crypto space. You can start learning about it by taking the free trial version of the course. Then you can go to the website of the publisher and purchase the course materials. After 3 years of testing and refining the plan, Dan Hollings has finally created a product that can make you money in the crypto market. He has successfully blown through $5 million in 3 years and has a proven method that can work in any market. The plan is free to join and will teach you how to invest in cryptocurrency with minimum effort. If you are serious about making money with cryptocurrency, this is the perfect opportunity for you. Don't wait a moment longer to sign up. Get started today with Crypto Training Course by Dan Hollings. If you're looking for crypto training, the best course to look into is the plan. Dan Hollings has made over $3 million over the last few years, and you can do the same. His course covers everything from the fundamentals of cryptocurrency to advanced topics like grid buys and how to create bots. It also has a money management course that can help you get started with your investments. This course also includes a downloadable guide so you can learn the ins and outs of crypto investing without having to pay any money upfront. The plan has been proven to be highly effective for its students. In fact, many of them have been earning over $10,000 a month. The price of cryptocurrency changes every few seconds, and Dan explains these fluctuations with a trading strategy that maximizes profits and minimizes losses. Unlike Amazon, the crypto market does not become saturated, and there's no need to worry about losing money when you're trading with bots. The course includes live webinars. Dan teaches new crypto investors how to trade using his automated conservative strategy. In addition to crypto, the webinar will cover other topics related to making money online, including passive income streams. This is an excellent option for those who have no previous knowledge of crypto trading. The plan is available for a one-time price of $199. The pricing for the planned Dan Hollings crypto training becomes more affordable as you invest more. The planned Dan's crypto training includes 3 phases, and each phase costs $99 per student. Initially, Dan taught the system on a one-on-one session and then taught it to his friends. The program quickly spread by word of mouth, but he has since raised the price to make it even more attractive. In addition to Phase 1, the course also features a Getting Started PDF that covers capital positioning, connecting exchanges, and connecting a wallet to an exchange. So if you're interested in the plan, then click the link below to access the plan, and also I've got a $4,500 worth of bonuses that I'm including for people that buy personally through my link in the description below of this video. We go down further and then we get to my first bonus. This one is called Al Pandito. This launched a little while ago, a couple of months ago, gave really well sold, massive customers, loved it, and is going to be a method for you to make even more money online. Okay, so it's my bonus number 1. Bonus number 2 is the incognito method. If I can get my teeth in, and this will show you a way to make money online without ever really showing your identity. So it's really, really cool. Okay, bonus number 2. That was bonus number 2. Bonus number 3 is the clones. This is a method, and of course, that will teach you how to ethically duplicate other people's affiliate campaigns for your own benefit so you can make your own commissions. All right, that's a bonus number 3. Bonus number 4 is from $0 to $100 in 24 hours. The reason I've included this is that I know a lot of you guys who are watching want ways to make money as quickly as possible because maybe you need the money as quickly as possible, right? And you don't get much quicker than 24 hours. So this will teach you how to do that. How to get from zero money in your bank account to actually getting $100 in there. Okay, so it's a bonus. That's bonus number 4. Bonus number 5, and my last one, is broke to $100,000 a month. This will teach you how to take your profits and scale your online e-commerce business from nothing to next level. It'll teach you everything from scratch, even if you don't know about drop shipping or e-commerce. Okay, that was bonus number 5. Once you purchase the plan through my link, then email me at mybonusget@gmail.com. I will send you login details of all the courses ASAP. If you love this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to make future updates on cryptocurrency. Thank you.